Or night, whenever you're viewing this. If you're looking at your packet that I sent out for this week, today's assignment is we're reviewing chapter 3, and tomorrow we're wrapping chapter 3 up. So today we're going to go through a chapter 3 review. And before we go, I'm going to be doing all of the problems with you today. So the review and the assessment both have 7 questions. So for the day, today is 7 questions, and then tomorrow is 7 questions. For today's assignment, I'm going to go through all 7 with you. For tomorrow's assignment, however, I'm going to not go through them with you. You're going to do them on your own. So I'm going to get started. So I'm going to go through them with you, and then I'm going to put them into the Google Docs so you can see how I want you to do that. So if you're looking at chapter 3 review, number 1 says, what is the total cost of a pair of shoes priced at $29.99 with a 5% sales tax? So there's 2 ways you can do this. If you recall, I can multiply $29.99 times 0.05, and that just gives me the tax amount, and then I can add them. Or I know that 5% sales tax is in addition to the 100% that I'm already paying. So I can just multiply $29.99 times, well, instead of 100% and adding 5% later, I can just say it's 105%. So I'm going to multiply that by 105. So move my decimal 2 places, so I'm going to multiply it by 1.05. So $29.99 times 1.05 gives me $31.49. So that's number 1. Number 2, a suit regularly costs $375.95. Bob buys it on sale for $268.35. How much does he save? So all I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract. So $375. And when you write this on your worksheet for today and tomorrow, you don't have to write all this work out. You can just write the answer in. Minus what he paid, $268.35, and that's going to give me how much did he save. I'm just subtracting the regular price minus the sale price, and when you subtract them, you get $107.60. And remember, I'm always going to put my dollar sign. Going forward, a dress normally sells for $49.95. How much does the dress cost after a 20% discount? So 20% discount means I'm taking 20% off. Well, what am I taking 20% off of? I'm taking off of 100%. So if I do 100% minus 20%, that means I'm paying 80%. So if I'm paying 80%, all I have to do is multiply 49. I'm going to fix that. 49.95 times, well, 0.80%. 80% is 0.8, 0.8. So 49.95 times 0.8 is $39.96. So just like that, we have the first 3 questions done. Moving on. So we're going to order from a catalog. So this is like the assignment we did last week. We're ordering from a catalog, and in this case, there's shipping and handling charges, and there might be taxes involved. So if you look, men's shirts are $34.50, whereas women's shirts, no matter what the size are, is $29.50. So what I'm going to do is Cole orders a men's shirt, so I'm going to underline that. So that's one men's shirt. And he orders one female shirt, one woman's shirt, so one woman's shirt. He adds shipping and handling. So we got shipping and handling charges and 6% sales tax. So the first thing I'm going to do is this. I'm going to add the men's shirt plus the female shirt. So that's $34.50 plus $29.50. So I'm going to add them, and when I do add them, I get $64. So his order adds up to $64. And that's important. I want to remember the 64 because I'm going to look over here at the shipping and handling in a minute. I need to add the 6% sales tax. But remember, sales tax means you're paying 100% plus the sales tax. So instead of just multiplying 6% and then adding to the value, I'm going to do it all in one swoop. So I'm going to multiply it by 106%. And remember, 106% is 1.06 because I moved the decimal 2 places. So I'm going to multiply $64 times 1.06, and that gives me $67.84. So that's how much it is with the taxes. The one thing we have left to do is we need to look at the shipping cost. So shipping cost from $0 to $30, the prices are differentiated. So I have to find out where does my price fall. So 64 falls in between $30 and $70. So what is my shipping cost? It's $5.75. So I'm going to add, where is that? I'm going to add $5.75, and that all equals $73.59. And that's my final answer. That's how much Cole's order is, including shipping and handling. If you're looking at number 5 is a little bit much quicker because all we're doing is what is the shipping and handling charge for an order that falls in the $64.95 range. So I look up here, where is that at? Well, it's $5.75 again. So that's all I have to do is $5.75. That's supposed to be a dollar sign. And that's number 5. Number 6, the new balance of a charge account is $135. The minimum payment is $20. If the interest rate is 1.5%, how much will the new balance be? So remember, this is where I do $135 minus $20 equals $115. That's my new balance. But then I have to find out what goes on with my interest rate. So interest rate, that means that's an additional 1.5%. So that means I'm going to add 1.5% to 100% of the total. So I can do this as 100 plus 1.5, which equals 101.5%. So I can move that decimal 2 places to the left, and I get 1.015. So I'm going to multiply 115 times 1.015, and that's going to give me my new balance. So my new balance for the month is $116.73. Now you could have done this one a different way. You could have just said 115. So I'll go ahead and do it over here. So you could have did 115 times 1.5% You still got to move the decimal. So that's 115 times 0. If I moved it twice, it's 0.15. And you end up getting $1.73. And then you have to take that and you have to do 115 plus 1.73, and you got $116.73. So two different ways you could, but you're getting the same exact answer. So that's our answer for number 6. And by the way, just a little heads up, if you're watching the videos and doing the work with me, it's going to go really well for your assignment tomorrow, because I'm not telling you which problems are identical, but some of them are absolutely identical, whereas all of the problems are very similar. Some of the problems are 100% identical, and it might just be this problem and number 7, but I'm not telling you which it is. So Marion places a coat on layaway. The cost is $125. Marion makes a 20% deposit. How much is the balance? So two ways I can do this. I can do 125. I know I'm going to be doing 125 times something. Now, 20% deposit, that means she took it away, right? She subtracted 20% out of the total. So I can do 100 minus 20%, which is 80%, and I can multiply 120 by 80%, and that would be my balance that's due. 125 times 0.8 is $100. So that's one way to do it. Another way to do it was the 125 times 20%, which is 0.2, equals 25, and then I'd have to do 125 minus 25, which is $100. And so that was the other way to do it. But either way, you get the same answer. So at this point, I want to bring over the document. Give me a second. I'm going to bring over the document so that you can see it. So this is what your document's going to look like in Google Classroom, which you may already have. All I need you to do is go in here and type in the totals, but don't forget to put your dollar signs. I've been taken off for people forgetting that. It's just a simple step. So number 1 was $31.49, and I'm just going to go through and I'm going to put my answers in. Number 2 was $107.60. Number 3 was $39.96. Number 4 was $73.59. Number 5 was $5.75. And it's all money, so you should get used to where the dollar sign is. Number 6 was $116.73, and number 7 was $100. 100. And I just go ahead in, and then you go back to your Google assignment, the classwork, and hit turn in, and then I'll get it. Each of you are going to have your own copy of this. Make sure that you are doing your work, that you pay attention to this assignment, because tomorrow's assignment you will not be getting a video. You are expected to do that assignment by yourself. But again, if you watch this video and you followed along and did this work with me, you're going to get a very good grade on the assignment for tomorrow. And after that, we are finishing chapter 3 completely. And then we're going to move on to what is it like to buy a house or rent an apartment and whatnot. So it's going to be pretty good from there. So guys, have a great day. If you have any questions, any issues, comments, concerns, reach out to me. I know there's a lot going on, and I care about each of your emotional well-being just as much as I do, probably more than I do about you guys doing your math work. So if you're struggling, if there's things going on and you just need somebody to talk to, my proverbial door is always open. You can always email me. I can give you a phone number to give me a call. We can meet on Zoom. We can chat. We can however you whatever you need. I'll make it a way so that you have somebody to talk to. But don't bottle up your emotions, guys. Get there's things that need to get out. Get them out. I'm praying for you guys. So hopefully you're all doing well. Bye.